If you're getting Steam error 9002, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix it step by step. Steam error 9002 is usually a critical system error, and it often happens when the Steam service fails or when third-party security software blocks Steam from launching properly. That means Steam may not open, may get stuck connecting, or may fail in the background before it even starts. The good news is that there are a few reliable fixes you can try right now, and I'll walk you through each one in order so you can get back into Steam as quickly as possible. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, please go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. It really helps the channel a lot, and it tells YouTube to show this video to more people who need it. Alright, let's jump into the first fix. First, restart the Steam service. Sometimes the service simply gets stuck or stops responding, and a fresh restart is all it needs. To do that, close Steam completely. Make sure it is not running in the system tray, and if needed, open Task Manager and end any Steam-related processes. Then press the Windows key and the R key together to open the Run box. Type services.msc and press Enter. In the Services window, scroll down until you find Steam Client Service. Right-click it and choose Restart. If the service is not running, choose Start instead. After that, try opening Steam again and see if the error is gone. If that doesn't fix it, the next step is to manually repair the Steam service. This is especially useful if the service files are corrupted. First, close Steam completely again. Then press the Windows key plus R, type CMD, and instead of pressing Enter normally, press Ctrl, Shift, and Enter together to open Command Prompt as an administrator. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. Now type this command exactly as shown. c:\programfiles86/bin/steam/steamservice.exe/repair. Once you've entered it, press Enter and wait for the process to finish. This may take a minute or two, so be patient while Windows rebuilds the Steam service. When it's done, restart your computer if possible, then launch Steam again and check if the problem is fixed. Now let's move on to another very common fix, and that is clearing the package folder. Sometimes corrupted update files inside this folder can stop Steam from initializing correctly. To do this, open File Explorer and go to your Steam installation folder. On most PCs, that will be c:\programfiles86/steam. Once you're inside that folder, look for a folder called Package. Open it, and then delete everything inside it. But do not delete the Steam folder itself. You only want to remove the contents of the package folder. After that, reopen Steam. What should happen is, Steam will detect missing update files and perform a small reinstallation or refresh process automatically. Let it complete fully before signing in or launching any games. If you're still seeing Steam error 9002, the last thing to check is your user permissions. Steam may fail to launch properly if your Windows account does not have administrator access. So make sure you are signed in to an administrator account on Windows. If you are not, switch to one, or ask the person who manages the computer to grant admin rights. You can also right-click Steam and choose Run as Administrator to test whether elevated permissions solve the issue. In many cases, permission problems combined with a broken service are what trigger this error, so this step is very important. To recap, the main fixes for Steam error 9002 are restarting the Steam service, repairing the Steam service manually, clearing the package folder, and verifying that you have administrator permissions. In most cases, one of these steps will get Steam working again. If the error is still happening after trying everything in this video, you may also want to temporarily check your antivirus or security software, since some third-party tools can interfere with Steam's backend processes. If this video helped you fix Steam error 9002, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next troubleshooting guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.